Hey, guess what this is right here? You know what this is? This is a glass half full. It's also a metaphor for a new series I'm starting right now on why we should be doing things, right? And today we're gonna start off that series, okay? It's gonna be amazing, super positive, nothing but good vibes, okay? So today's video, top 5 reasons why you should be streaming with Streamlabs OBS. Stick around. Okay, before I get started, just a couple of disclaimers. First, this is not a sponsored video. But that means you're getting the honest opinion of one guy who's used Streamlabs for a long time and also used OBS, okay? And that's actually disclaimer number 2. I currently don't use Streamlabs. I use obs.live and streamelements. And the reason I did that was because I wanted to know how to use both formats. So even though I don't use it currently, I have for a long time and I still have Prime and I love it. And that brings me to the third disclaimer. Everything I'm about to tell you right now, you need to have Prime for, okay? Prime unlocks all the stuff we're about to talk about, right? So it's $8 a month, and I know what you're thinking. You're like, that guy, that's my Taco Bell money, bro. And listen, I'm with you, okay? But we have to agree on something, that if you're as passionate about your streaming as I am, and you want to grow it and make it a career and be successful at it, if the tools I'm about to show you are help you do that, then the $8 a month, totally worth it. All right, so now that we have that out, let's move forward. Okay, so reason number 1, you should be using Streamlabs Themes, and their theme UI is insane, okay? It is the most diverse collection of scenes that you're gonna find anywhere. And if you're a Prime member, you actually get access to all of these. So I was going through a bunch of these, okay? And I filtered to the first person shooter category, and there are 41 pages of themes, okay? And they're a huge variety. We're talking some that are static, some that are animated, some include sound packs, some have stinger transitions already included, which are really awesome. But like there's so much variety here that if you changed your theme every week, it would take you like, a long freaking time, dude. Like it would take what, 15 years, 16 years to use all of them, which is absolutely insane. Okay, but I was going through a couple of these and I was like kind of curious, like what would I pick out? And I gotta be honest with you, I came across one that was gorgeous. And this is not a tutorial on how to set this up by any means. There's a bunch of those videos out there, but I want to show you how easy this is. I found this one called Topo Chroma, okay? It's really cool. It looks like this filter that I saw on TikTok one time, but this is how easy this is to start. You're gonna click the theme that you want, and you're gonna click Install Overlay, okay? Now, when you go back to it pulls you right back to your editor, okay? And the only thing you have to do from this point is just add your webcam, okay? That's it. That's it. That's simple, okay? Now, the other cool part about the themes page, if we go back here, is it's not just overlays, okay? You can also click on widget themes, okay? So basically think about your alerts, all right? So when I'm going through here, you just find one that you like. We can pick out anything. Oh, here's the cyberpunk one I saw earlier, right? So you just click the ones that you want to install, right? On this one, I'm just gonna do the alert box, right? Just click install, and now you can test out your widgets just that easy. They've made setting up your stream and going live a 10-minute thing if that's what you want to do. Now, obviously, I have a whole video about making custom alerts. I'll put a little link up here. You're going to want to do that eventually to set yourself apart. But to have this type of diversity available at your fingertips and this quickly, it's amazing. And the last thing that I want to show you on the themes page is site themes. Now, this is one of the reasons I still keep my Prime, okay? You can go on here and select a theme, and this will actually set up your website. So if you go to FATguyFUNtime.com, this is from Prime, and there's a couple of really cool things here. You can make this whatever you want, but my stream goes live on here. There's a countdown to when my stream starts. You can tip me from here. It has all my social media links. It has a merch store, which, by the way, their merch store is very robust and very, very cool. And then you can also access the chat from here. So if you ever want to tell somebody like how to watch your stream, if they don't have Twitch, you can just say, go to FATguyFUNtime.com or go to FATguyFUNtime.tv. It's either one. And it just works. It's amazing, guys. Okay. And the merch store actually gets me in the reason number 2. So reason number 2, Cloudbot. Okay. Most people who are streaming use some type of automated bot. Okay. Something to like manage chat a little bit easier. And there's a bunch of reasons to have one. My favorite one is Streamlabs chatbot. Okay. If you pull up Streamlabs, what they've done is actually include that inside of their program. It's called Cloudbot. It works amazingly well. You can go through, it has all of your typical things that you would expect to get out of a bot. But one thing in particular, one that I really enjoy the most, is their giveaways. Okay. They have integrated their giveaways with their merch store. Okay, so on my stream on Saturdays, I do sub Saturdays, and I do a giveaway every Saturday to kind of promote my channel and give back to the people who sub. Okay, all you have to do is purchase a piece of this merch, click start giveaway. It'll queue it up in chat. Okay, it does a reminder every 5 or 10 minutes to, hey, type exclamation point giveaway, whatever, right? And then you also can pick the winner through here. And what's really, really cool about this is it sends a link to the winner. They can order it themselves with the pre-purchased merchandise. They don't have to give you an address. You don't have to ask for an address, because that's kind of weird sometimes, right? This is built into their bot. This is awesome. This is another reason why I still have Streamlabs. Okay, reason number 3 for using Streamlabs, toggle selective recording. Okay. This is something you can only do in Streamlabs. OBS, you gotta get on this and fix it, okay? Because this is awesome. Let me show you what I mean. So here's a scene I set up real quick, okay? You're gonna notice down the bottom here, this is where all your sources are, right? When I'm doing gameplay, sometimes you're gonna capture these really great moments, right? Like a great sniper shot or a great multi-kill something, right? Whatever. Point being is this will pop up, right? And that's not a bad thing. Like, you got a donation, congratulations. But if I'm going to take this video and throw it up on Instagram later or put it on YouTube, I don't necessarily want that popping up. Okay. So what you can do is you can toggle selective recording, which means I can go to one specific source like my alert box and say, I only want this visible on my stream. So now everyone on my stream will be able to see that alert. Okay. But on my recording later on, it's not going to show up. That's super powerful. That's something I wish I had in OBS, but I don't. And I'm still waiting around for it. Hey, wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. I stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 p.m. Eastern, Saturday at 10 p.m. Okay. Here's the name of my stream and the links in the description. I want you to come over and hang out with me. I want you to subscribe to my channel because it helps me out. Okay. All right. Love your faces. Back to the video. Wow. Okay, so the 4th reason to use Streamlabs is kind of what they did to answer to OBS plugins. So in case you guys don't know, OBS plugins are super powerful. They're ways to expand OBS's capabilities by just doing these little add-ons. And what's really cool about them is they're all free, okay? They don't work on Streamlabs, and that sucks, okay? So Streamlabs came out with their app store, and it looks like this. So Streamlabs has 46 different apps that you can use, and I think they're awesome. There are a lot of them that are very engaging to the audience. There's some that are creative, and there's some that are just useful tools. But they're all included with your Prime membership. Okay, I do have a couple of favorites if I can just throw them out there. If you've never heard of Pretzel Rocks, Pretzel Rocks is basically DMCA free music, right, that you can play on your stream. I actually have Pretzel Rocks as a separate program for when I stream, but you can just use this. It's built in now. It's pretty cool. Okay. The other one I'm a big fan of is the Advanced Overlay Maker from NerdUp. So one of the reasons I like this is think of the theme section that we just looked at, but taking a step further where you can do a little bit more customizations. Like there's custom backgrounds, right? There's custom countdown timers. You can just add generic text in here and it, you know, glows. Like there's very cool things that you can pull off in here. And then they also made Stream Design Factory. So again, same type of thing, building off of that theme idea of just picking a theme, now letting you customize your stream just a little bit more. And all of this is done with these apps that are included. Reason number 5 for using Streamlabs is it's an all-in-one experience, okay? So that's really important for people who are just getting into streaming, okay? Like instead of having to go over here and over here to find all these different tools, it's all in one spot for you to use, okay? That's really important and it's powerful. They also said on their website, build your online brand. And I gotta be honest with you, like I kind of see them implementing the tools that help you do that. So build your online brand, right? If you log into your Prime account, a couple of things they've been adding: Twitch panels, okay? That's an all-inclusive tool that's now again, you don't have to go to another spot to go get. It's included with Streamlabs, right? YouTube thumbnails. Look, I'm not saying I use this myself, okay? I make my own. For someone that's never made a YouTube thumbnail before, this is a great guide. Okay, this is really a company that's helping you build an online brand, and that's included in the software that helps you stream. It's a really, really good experience. So there you have it, guys. 5 great reasons that you should stream with Streamlabs OBS. Okay, so remember, wait, hold on. I have reason number 6 and 7. Okay, reason number 6, you can undo errors by clicking Control Z. You can't do that on regular OBS. And oh, it saves all of your stuff online for you. So if you switch computers, you just log in again and it download the program and it's all there. Ha! Now you can end the video, sir. My name's Josh. I'm FATguyFUNtime, and I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 p.m. Eastern, Saturdays at 10 p.m. Eastern. If you want to come over and chat about this stuff live with me, or maybe just get some games in, come on over. FATguyFUNtime. Links in the description to go over my Twitch. Come over, hang out with us, join the Discord server. We have a ton of fun. And by the way, there's a bunch of other videos that I have on here that you can go ahead and watch. So go ahead and click on them for me, okay? I'll wait right here. I won't make it awkward at all. Go ahead, click the thing. You know you want to click one of those videos. Go watch my 19 banger that I did earlier on COD. Yeah, because I'm a damn champion. Yeah.